morning guys, happy Vlogmas day 2. I just took my shower. It's the weekend, it's Saturday, so we're having a nice chill slow morning. I took an everything shower, exfoliated, shaved, washed the hair, and now I'm gonna do my nails because I really just want to get that over with. So I'm gonna show you how I do my gel nails at home because someone commented and asked me how I do them myself. So I have this UV lamp from D&D Nails. They actually sent me this because I did a collaboration with them, I think last year. So they sent me this lamp, but I do know that they have like a ton on Amazon. They're not that expensive. So I'm gonna plug this in right here. And then for my nail polish, I'm gonna do this color that's from D&D as well. It's Cherry Mocha. I used to get so many compliments on this color and I haven't worn it in a while. And then I have the gel base coat and then the gel top coat. So it's pretty easy. It's actually a lot easier than painting with regular polish in my opinion, because obviously you don't have to wait for them to dry because you have the lamp. So it's so much easier in my opinion, and I don't know what it is, but the consistency of this, it's like harder to mess it up and like get it on your skin, if you know what I mean. Like I don't really know how to explain it. What I am gonna do though is put sunscreen on my hands just to protect them because I don't have like any gloves or anything to protect my hands. So I'm gonna put on SPF 70 on like my fingers, the back of my hand a little bit, because we want to protect our skin. I used to go to Mini Lux all the time when I lived at my old apartment because it was close by, and I just remember always making sure to put on sunscreen before I got my nails done because I would always do gel. So I already took everything off last night so they're nice and clean. I filed them, buffed them. You really want to make sure that you buff them so it's nice and smooth so there's no bumps when you put the polish on. And make sure they're nice and clean, you don't have anything on them. So I'm going to show you how I do them. First we're going to put on this base coat. A little trick that I was doing for a little bit was putting this instead as the base coat because it's easier to peel off, and with this you have to like wrap them with nail polish remover and it just takes longer to take off. But sometimes, like whenever I would do that and put this as my base coat, I would notice that they would always like peel off and fall off. So I was like, you know what, I can't be doing my nails over a million times, so we're just gonna stick to the base coat. So I'm gonna do one hand at a time and do my left hand first. So then I'm just gonna set the lamp for 55 seconds, stick my hand in there, and then wait for it to harden, and then we can do the regular polish. This color is so pretty. I can't get enough of it. I wore it like all the time in the fall, and I would always get so many compliments on this color. So I just finished this hand. Like how pretty is this color? I'm so in love with it. So I'm gonna finish my other hand and then we'll be done. But I just love doing gel because it just looks so much better and cleaner and obviously lasts longer. So again, the color is Cherry Mocha by D&D. This color is so popular and it's very, very pretty. My nails are done. Seriously, it's so easy. Saves you money. I highly recommend getting a UV lamp and just doing your own gel nails. Because I'm someone who doesn't even like to sit down at the nail salon. Like I love getting pedicures. Me and my mom do that all the time. But I don't know, I'd rather just do them myself. So how pretty. Like I said, love this color. But let's do advent calendars for day 2. Cheeto will do yours after, I promise. Here's the box. Here's another box. Oh, it's perfume. I think I got this last year actually. Taka Stella perfume. It's so cute and mini. I can't even open it right now. We're just gonna save it. We're just gonna keep it in the box because I cannot open this. Time for Cheeto. Where's day 2? They gave them so many treats. There's literally 5 in this bag. Here you go. Say happy Vlogmas. I don't know what's in these, but he goes crazy for them. And last year he went crazy for them too. Just made myself some oatmeal with frozen berries, peanut butter. This is like my favorite right now. And I'm gonna sit down and plan my month because obviously it's now December. So every single month at the beginning, I like to sit down, look at what I have to do, plan certain things, write down any goals. So I have this notebook from Target, I think. I like how it's just plain and you can circle the date on top. So this is where I usually write like my work goals, personal goals, and then this is my everyday planner. That is also from Target. I like to look at this page, like the overview of the month, and write down things that I have on certain days. I also have to make sure I pay my rent because that's due. That was due yesterday, but I think they only call it late unless it's like the 5th. So I'm gonna pay my rent and plan my month. I just went around and cleaned the surfaces. I used this Everspring multi-surface spray, cinnamon and birch. It smells really good. And then I'm also curating another bag of giveaway goodies. So it's not finished yet. I still have some more things to collect. So I'm gonna do another giveaway in the month of December. So be on the lookout for that. And make sure you're following on Instagram so you don't miss it. But we have some pretty nail polish from Essie, Christmassy colors, Skin Fix, moisturizer, Summer Fridays, Roche-Posay, Pharmacy, Tower 28 Beauty, Jones Road Beauty, more Pharmacy. So I'm just gonna put it all in this Target bag so it's all organized and I don't mix it up with my stuff. So it's 1:30. I just went to the store like you guys saw. I was in the mood for chicken noodle soup, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to the store, grab the ingredients to make the soup. It's like the perfect day. It's not really cold, it's like 50 degrees, like I didn't even have to wear a jacket. But it's just gloomy, overcast, and it's just like a lazy, chill type of day. So we're gonna make some soup. So I went to the organic market. I also stopped at Target to get some cookies, these, and then put these on top. I've seen that on TikTok. I think I made them last year too, and they're really, really good. So I got the Christmas tree ones, and then Nestle Toll House. I also needed to get a peeler because I don't have one, and I need to peel the carrots. So I got that at Target as well. Some fresh celery, fresh carrots, fresh parsley, chicken broth, sweet onion. I got 2 kinds of pasta. They didn't have egg noodles really, so I got the closest thing that looked like egg noodles. This one looks good. And then I also got this one, which looks like egg noodles, but it's chickpea and turmeric plant-based pasta. I thought that I could like split them and do half and half. Lastly, of course, got the chicken. So I'm gonna start making it right now because honestly, I'm hungry and I'm in the mood for it. So I'm gonna chop the veggies and start sauteing those in my pot. So I'm just letting all the veggies saute. I'm gonna add in some thyme. I'm also not even measuring anything. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Some salt, of course. And some pepper. I don't have any fresh garlic, so I'm just using my minced garlic. The veggies alone sauteing smells so good. I just shredded up the chicken. It's so easy if you just like throw the whole piece in there, and then once it's cooked, you just put it in a bowl, use 2 forks and like pull it apart and put it back in there. It's so easy. It smells so good. Whoa, my camera's fogging up. Can't wait to eat this. I just washed my face. I'm gonna put on a face mask and do my facial steamer. I haven't done this in so long. It's the Vanity Planet facial steamer. And I used to use this all the time at my last apartment. I feel like my skin could just use a little TLC. I have like a little breakout on my cheek right here. So we're gonna put this on, use my steamer, kind of detox my skin. The chicken noodle soup was so good. And I didn't really follow a recipe. I just kind of eyeballed everything, threw everything in there. But I kind of talked through it. So hopefully you guys can follow along if you want to make it. It was really yummy. I actually just went to the gym again and did 12-3-30 because I've been trying to go for walks every single day outside, but this morning was kind of crappy and I didn't end up going. So I got in my walk of the day by going on the treadmill. Felt really nice. I'm kind of sad because I thought I could sleep in a little bit tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I got invited to go to this like breakfast brunch thing at the Cezanne store in Boston on Newbury Street, which I'm very excited and grateful that I got invited. I'm excited. I'm just sad though because it's 9 to 11, so I kind of have to wake up early to like get ready and everything, make sure I have time to drive there, find a parking spot. Hopefully I can find parking though, because Sunday morning that early, I feel like I should be fine. I'm excited though. It's like a holiday themed breakfast, I guess, and the Cezanne store is so cute. I remember going there when they first opened. I think it was in April, and it's so cute in there. Everyone's so sweet. They have the best sweaters. I feel like they have a lot of good gifts if you need gifts for your friends, for the women in your family. Now let's use a steamer. So you just fill up this little compartment with water. Put that in here. I'm gonna plug it in. I don't even know if you can see the steam coming out on camera. I can't really see it. I'm just gonna sit in front of this until it empties, and then we can make the Christmas cookies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then probably put on a Christmas movie, honestly, and just chill for the rest of the night. Let's make these cookies. So excited. So first, I'm gonna open this package. So we're gonna place these ones down first. You just kind of smush them, and then we're gonna place the other ones right on top. Yum. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. I preheated it to, what'd I do, 350. So let's put those in here. It's not preheated yet, but it's fine. So excited, they look so good.